Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you how to join leagues within the FIFA mobile game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the FIFA mobile game on your device, and once you open it up, complete through the basic tutorial levels, after which you will be able to choose your preferred club and you can now officially start playing matches. Now you will notice that the leagues option is not available at the very beginning. So you will need to play a few matches and gain some experiences within the game. And once you gain some experience, the leagues option will be unlocked. You can now tap on this, and now you can either create your own league or join various other leagues. If you find a league that you are interested in, you can just tap on the apply button, or you can also view the details by clicking on view. After clicking on the apply button, you can send a custom message for the owner, or you may also leave the default message. Finally, tap on the send button and this will send a request to join the league to the league owner. Once the league owner accepts your request, you will now become a part of that league and you will now be able to compete with the various teams that are within this league. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to join a league within the FIFA mobile game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.